This is the last time you're going to see Mirror Dinghy Red Pearl looking like this. I'm about to mask up and then do the first coat of the 2-pack epoxy primer, which is Norglass Shipshape. Take it in. It's been a long time to get to this stage, and yeah, I'm really pleased to finally have gotten here, but there's plenty more to do, so let's get cracking with it. I don't know if you can see this, but I started to make a really good crack at it and I ran out of paint. Now I have to go and get the kids from school. So anyway, I'm gonna have to buy more paint and finish this off another time, but good effort so far. The paint works great as it did last time. I love this product. Check it out.